Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Spotify account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to log into your account, you must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can easily sign up for a new account over here. Here you can see the sign up for free option, or you can even use your Google or Facebook account credentials in order to create your Spotify account. Once you have your account ready, you can tap on this login option over here. And here you'll need to provide your login credentials, enter your email address over here, and after that, right below that you can enter your password and tap on this login button over here. That's how you can successfully log into your Spotify account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.